Good morning, Achieve. It's Mrs. Tickle. I'm happy to be here with you today for morning assembly. Today's Thursday, November 5th, and the virtue of the week is thankfulness. So today we're going to talk about the benefits of thankfulness. A benefit is something that's good for you or something that's helpful. So let's go ahead and get started with the Pledge of Allegiance. Everybody please stand, salute, and pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, please have a seat. So, thankfulness. This is a book by Eileen Spinelli called Thankful that is about a family who is thankful for a lot of things in their lives. So I want to talk to you today about being thankful and how that can actually help you. What are the benefits of being thankful? One of the benefits is that being thankful makes you more happy. Some scientists have been doing research about thankfulness, and they have discovered that people who spend time being thankful, maybe writing those things down or talking to somebody about what they're thankful for, that those people are actually more happy in their lives. Those scientists found that they're up to 10% more happy than other people who don't spend time being thankful. So that's good. You can help yourself be more happy just by spending time thinking about the things that you're thankful for. Another benefit is that being thankful helps you to have a more positive attitude. If you're focusing on what is good in your life, then that helps you to feel good overall. And so your whole attitude can be better. And so you tend to focus on what's good rather than on what's bad. And that helps you just overall to be more happy and positive in your life, which then helps you to make more friends. And that's our third benefit. People who are thankful tend to have more friends because people like to be around other people who are happy and positive. So think about how fun that is to be around a friend who's just always laughing and having fun and being happy, and it just makes you feel good. And so those happy, positive people tend to have more friends and be more thankful for the things in their lives. So those are three of the benefits of thankfulness. And so I have a topic for you guys to discuss in your class. And that is for you to talk about how being thankful is good or helpful to you. How can you help yourself, and what kinds of benefits do you get from being thankful?